Hello, investors. We hope you're having a good day, and if not, you'll definitely have a better day after hearing our pitch. My name is Philip, and we will be pitching you our startup idea, KitchenCruise, making meals in motion. This is our new approach to revolutionizing food delivery using mobile kitchens that cook your meal on the way to your door. My co founder, Vin, will take it away with the problem we're trying to solve.
We've all been there before. Tired after a long day of work and ordering food delivery only for it to take an hour to come and the food to just not hit the spot like it would at a restaurant. Whether it's tacos that get soggy, sushi with hard rice, or a cold dessert that's already melted, food delivery and preparation can and should be better. In fact, about half of all customers report receiving cold food according to Martech Vibe. The delay between preparation and delivery significantly reduces food quality, and that's a key pain point we aim to solve. Now, there is currently no food service where patrons can remotely order meals and receive them freshly cooked at the moment of completion.
Our solution is KitchenCruise, a platform that allows partner restaurants to turn their kitchens into mobile cooking units. Meals are prepared on the move, en route to the customer, and ready right at the door. This makes efficient use of transport time and eliminates the need for third-party pickup, reducing delays and keeping food fresh and hot. KitchenCruise is built on four strengths: better food quality with hot and fresh meals, reduced labor costs through automation, enhanced safety through consistent automated processes, and unmatched efficiency by optimizing food prep inside moving vehicles. These combine to deliver a superior food experience. Previous businesses similar to ours relying on makeshift delivery at completion time through message apps like Telegram have failed due to their practice of preparing meals far in advance before delivery, past the 2-hour time limit for perishable foods kept at room temperature. So we have extra precautions related to food safety and regulatory concerns that will be discussed later. To make this possible, we developed a unique technical architecture composed of active suspension systems, food automation hardware, modular food prep units, and dynamic route optimization algorithms. Let's go into each of these in more detail. We use air ride suspension and IMU-based dampers that detect road conditions in real time, adjusting the vehicle's chassis to ensure a stable cooking environment. The kitchen itself is mounted on vibration damping subframes, isolating it from vehicle movement to maintain cooking precision. Inside the truck, robots prepare food, dispense toppings, and operate conveyor ovens that adjust based on motion sensors. We've seen this technology with Stellar Pizza, a robotic pizza-making food truck that operated in Westwood and proved that autonomous and low-cost food preparation in a truck is possible. But they did not capitalize on mobility. This full automation lets us cook with consistency and eliminates human error, making high-speed, high-quality food possible on the road. We follow Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point, also known as HACCP, specified by the FDA to perform digital logging and automated alerts, such as continuous temperature monitoring of the fridge, oven, and water tanks, with automatic alerts if thresholds are breached to ensure food safety. Route optimization is also very important, so orders are continuously collected, clustered by location, and routed using time-windowed optimization. We dynamically reroute the fleet in real time to maximize efficiency. It's a logistics network as smart as our kitchen, ensuring food gets delivered at peak freshness. We prioritize locations with higher orders placed up to a maximum time window for all customers to balance delivery efficiency and first come, first served fairness. Our trucks support swap-in modules for different cuisines. For instance, a pizza module might include a dough press and conveyor oven, while a taco module includes a vertical spit and automated griddle. A banh mi setup might include a steam cabinet and veggie dispenser. For us, flexibility is key. As we grow, we'll introduce core features like order ping, which enables open invitations for other users to make an order if an order is being made near them to reduce delivery fees for everyone involved and improve efficiency. This also allows one truck to fulfill multiple orders at one location, improving the throughput of our system with better parallelism compared to a regular food delivery app driver fulfilling one order at each location. This also naturally provides us with valuable demand density data to continue refining both automation and routing systems using data-driven improvements. The data allows us to answer questions like when a specific apartment has a lot of people who want food. Investing in technology and route optimization R&D is crucial to our business. We also have traditional methods of scaling through expanding to new cities, adding new partners, cuisines, and fleets.
Now let's talk about the market. We're entering the $288 billion global food delivery market with a particular focus on the United States. Our focus will be urban areas where demand for delivery is highest and the pain points of cold or delayed food are most evident. Our core audience includes young adults and mid career professionals who are most familiar with mobile ordering. They tend to be freshness conscious and often too busy to cook for themselves. These are urban and suburban dwellers who prefer the ease of app based ordering. Based on market data from Grandview Research, our serviceable addressable market, or SAM, is around $49.44 billion in the US. With an estimated 5% market penetration, our serviceable obtainable market, or SOM, lands us at a $2.47 billion opportunity. This is a high growth space. How do we stack up? Compared to restaurants, food trucks, and delivery apps, we offer a combination of high quality and high convenience that our competitors cannot. We go beyond ghost kitchens and meal kits by cooking during delivery, something no one else is doing. Our positioning puts us in the sweet spot: high service quality and high convenience. Now, traditional delivery may be convenient, but it sacrifices freshness. With Kitchen Cruise, you can get both.
Our business model has three components. First, a fee per order for users including commission. Second, a monthly membership subscription option for regular customers. And finally, revenue from selling mobile kitchen units to partners. Together, this ensures sustainable revenue from both consumers and B2B clients. The ultimate goal would be to sell a truck at less than $100,000 through economies of scale and modularity, but getting to that point will require prototypes that are several $100,000. To gain early popularity among initial users, we can partner with existing food chains to utilize their brand recognition. We will be using major chains' branding and recipes in return for a percentage of the earnings of these associated menu items. This means we must convince food chains that we will be able to make food products that do not hurt their brand image. Partnerships are key to the success of our platform, and we want to be a business that better unites restaurants and patrons instead of being direct competitors. We arbitrarily expect that around 40% of our income will come from partnerships, while the majority, 60%, will still be from members of the app community. We offer a flexible pricing structure. Non-members pay standard delivery and service fees, while members pay a flat $12.99 per month, unlocking free delivery over $20 and capped service charges. This keeps the barrier of frequent use low. Delivery and membership fees are on par with DoorDash and Uber Eats. We also intend to test a student membership fee at a lower price to convert them into regular members after they graduate. As the founding team behind Kitchen Cruise with backgrounds in computer science and engineering, autonomous systems, and digital health technologies, we are confident in our ability to provide a solid foundation of autonomy and safety that the development of this product demands.
Our organization is split into two teams. The product team handles core system development and tech. An operations team must exist for each truck, keeping daily activities running smoothly day in and day out. Roles in the product team include automation engineers who optimize kitchen layout, mechanical engineers for suspension systems, software engineers for our ordering interface, and culinary experts who design recipes compatible with cooking under motion. Now, beyond the technical side, a lawyer is necessary for ensuring that our team complies with all regulatory guidance to ensure food safety and minimize litigation issues, and an accountant will handle budgeting for all business expenses. On the ground, each truck is run by a driver and an automation supervisor who oversees the food preparation process. Eventually, as we automate driving, that overhead will shrink further.
We're currently looking to raise $3.5 million at a $23.5 million post-money valuation, offering investors 15% equity. This round will fund prototyping, initial restaurant partnerships, and our pilot rollout in New York City. Here's the breakdown of our valuation calculation. We have a $20 million pre-money valuation offering 15% equity for $3.5 million raised for a $23.5 million post-money valuation. This includes a 20% discount on projected 1% market capture of the SOM, which equates to around $25 million, to provide early investors with traction-aligned value.
Now we will move on to the Q&A section to answer common questions you may be asking. What strategies will you be using to acquire your first 100 customers? By partnering with existing local restaurants, we can offer menu options with brand recognition that customers may opt for instead of the restaurant locations because of our more convenient delivery method. After validating the profitability of our idea, we can further expand the scope of our business. What are the biggest challenges you foresee in implementing your solution? The individual challenges of suspension, automation, and software development are not inherently difficult, but the hardest part of our solution will be integrating all of these components of our business model into a single functioning system. To ensure successful integration, we must implement standard interfaces between all systems so that no system must depend on the inner workings of another in order to function properly.
Thanks for listening. We hope you enjoyed our pitch and are ready to become one of our partners to put Kitchen Cruise in motion.